Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle is finished here. It gave us here a pattern, very well known pattern. Let me show it to you. Let's zoom it a little bit like that to explain those things to you. People, they are in my course, they know all those things, but you, if you are just here, I'm going to explain it to you. Look with me here, that the candle, the green one. What happened here? Next to it, it happened that red candle there, that one here, then that red candle will happen today, like that. Here, that is his name, the morning star, guys. That three candles here, as you see them, and that indicating the market is going to reverse. That's what telling us here in that level. So should we close the long position, we open a short position? No, not yet, because me and base everything about here, about that inside bar here, that one I showed you before. I told you it's need a candle to come to break lower here, or a candle to come to break up here for us to enter short or to enter long. Till now there is no break in here. So also we don't need to close our short position. And me, I told you something else in the last videos. What me I told you? I told you we got here a very stronger level here, at that level here. And that's my view personally. I think is going to come to correct here, at that level here. Then after that it will go up, and it's going to break that last high which is here. But just analysis, maybe from here it's going to fall down and to break for us that last low which is here, and to go to that 10k those people are dreaming of. But till now, us we still analyzing day by day, and we came to you every day. For me personally, I think it's going to come here. Then after that, we're going to see if it's going to go back up or not. Till now, it doesn't show in here. It will break in that level here, or that last supply and demand zone we used to have here. Till now, it's showing from here a rejection. Let's see from the 200 moving average, because now us we breaking the 200 moving average. If you're looking with me here, at that level here, we're breaking the 200 moving average. We came up here. For us to know is a real breakout, not a fake one, it's need to come to test this here. Then after that, to break that last high which is here. That is going to indicating for us we're changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. So till now, us we still waiting. People they being with me, us we enter from here from 15k. 4 hours we enter from here. So till now, we're making very decent profit. We don't care what's going to happen. And me, I tell it to you, if it's going to make a correction here, also we're going to find an opportunity to buy again if it's going to go higher. So I think everything is still clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, for everything to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. For tomorrow, as you see what we got, even tomorrow we got USA news or USA economical data. So we got here, as you see, the building permit is going to come at 1:30 GMT time. Then you change it with your local time. Then we got initial jobless claim, or people they losing the job of them. How it's going to be? It needs to come more than the previous one. Was that the view of the Fed? If it came negative, that is going to push the market more down. Then what we got else? Philadelphia Fed manufacturing, that one no one based reading about it. Then we got that one, even that one crude oil inventory. So the most important news we got tomorrow is that one, the building permit and the initial jobless claim. We need to be focused about them when they are going to come. Plus here what we got else, our friend, that table also we're looking at it every day. What it's telling us today here, look at that, all US stocks today they are red. And if you're watching the last video I put before in that one, when we're analyzing the Nasdaq and the SP 500, we tell you they are going to fall down, and that's what happened. Both of them they close red, as you see them. And even here the VIX is going upward. Why all that? Because the data came yesterday, or economical data came yesterday. All of it came negative. Retail sales, PPI, everything, it came very bad for December. That's why you saw the currencies came back again, because even the Fed, that's how they're analyzing the data. And it showed the USA economical, it's not yet back up from the recession. And the Fed today, they said by the end of 2023, the inflation it needs to be 3.5, I think, or 3.1%. That's a big goal for them. That means they are going to tight more till they reach into that level. So it's still a big and a long way to reach to 3%. Because now us we are 6%. So it's a long way. That means they are going to tight more. and they are not going to ease. Oh, that's what it's telling you. The market, it's falling down today, and even US stocks, they falling down. That's the reason why. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading if there is any opportunity. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here, what me I told you in the last video, I told you I got here, that level here. I show you like that, and I told you I got one in the top here. That's what me I'm waiting. I'm waiting either the break to happen here or either to happen up. Till now it doesn't show in no break up, no breakdown. It came that candle here. As you see that one, it gave us there a very nice pin bar that when people, they don't want the Bitcoin to fall down below that level here, and they don't want to break lower. That's something very good. When they still buyers, they believe in Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. But also we don't care about all that. Also we are here to make money. That's the reason why we are here. I don't care about Bitcoin, why they use it for or whatever. Also we are here to make money. So the levels we got here, focus it with me what I'm going to do, and that one here. You focus it about them and you waiting. Either a break to happen here, we are going to close our long position we entered from down here. I'm talking here about swing trading, and we're going to open a short position from here. Yes or no? If it came and breaking upward here, that level which is here, we don't need to buy because us already we got a long position. If it's breaking here, us already we got a long position. If it came and breaking for us lower here, it means it's going to go down till here, till the 200 moving average. That's why I told you if it's breaking here, we will enter short. Remember that. Don't keep someone to me and he tell me, oh, me I tell you to enter short or I tell you to enter long. I tell you to enter short with conditions. I tell you to enter long with conditions. The conditions they are. You came here, look with me here, that pin bar which is here, that one. You came to it, the tail of it like that, and you draw in there a level like that. And you came to the top of that candle here. The one, the tail of it, the top of the tail of it, and you draw in a level like that, and you waiting. If it came a candle and close below that level, a candle, how is going to close? That means the start of it, it needs to be in the top, and the close of it, it needs to be below that level. Or even the start of it, it can be in the level, but the close of it, it needs to be below that level. You enter short. For long, the same thing. It needs to do that like that, and the candle to close in that level here. That's how you need to enter long. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying today. Our indicator, as you see, it's being here at the overbought area. Now it's going to that level where me I told you we are going to look to buy from here. That's what it's showing till now here. Shall we buy now? No, my friend, we need to wait. We need to wait till the market came till here, till that level here, and it retraced from here, and it gave us here a price action that we shall we buy. Till now for swing trading, we need just to wait and now. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one, what it's telling us. Us, we staying here at the overbought area. That means bulls, they still controlling that market here. For us to enter short, what else we need? Using that indicator here in 4 hours, what else we need? We need a very stronger supply and demand zone. And yes, you have one. Look with me here. Last time from here, before FTX collapse or the day of FTX collapse, from here we fall down till here. I remember it very, 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 very well, me, because me are entering it. Now we are in the same level here. Should we enter short? No, we are not entering just because we touching that level. No, that one is just a line. Yes, other investors, they know that level here, and that's how professional people, they put in pending order, but that Bitcoin, short of it is a little bit difficult than other stuff. For us, we need to wait in here a price action indicating for us as the market is going to reverse. Did we got any price action? Yes, you got here. That channel I show you now, like that. You wait it if it's getting broke here. If it's getting broke, you enter short. Remember that. Where it needs to be the take profit, the first take profit here, at that peak here, or that supply and demand zone here. You saw it or no? That peak here, that's where you need to start thinking of to protect yourself. Because from here, me are thinking is going to go up more than that. That's what me I tell you in the past videos. I told you it's going to make a correction. Then after that, we're going to see if either we are going to go higher or we are going to break lower and we go to that 10K those people they want. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. There we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video what me I told you here. Exactly here. I told you, you used to have here like a triangle here. When it's getting broke here, we'll dive you into short. Now what it's showing here in that level here, look at it. There is no power to break lower here, that level here. Should you enter long? No, there is no price action now indicating for you need to enter long. Yes, you can make like that here, like a small peanut like that, but that one is very small. It's need at least the market to give you here a double bottom like that. Like that, that the first bottom and second bottom, it needs to be here for you to enter long. Or it's going to fall down more because you enter short here. Because if you look in here, look with me here, low, high. Now he's trying to give us another low. If it's breaking here, it's going to give you here another low. Yes or no? And look with me in the daily. I've been talking with you about that break of 200. Look at it here. Over here, we break into 200. Yes or no? We make it like that. We came back, we test it again. Now for us to know that one is a real breakout, it needs to come and to break for us here. That last low here. That is going to drive the Bitcoin down. Not too much, but it's going to drive it down a little bit. So entry short, it used to be here when it's breaking here. Exactly here, we'll have you enter short. And I tell you that in the last videos. And here, look with me that channel me I'm talking about. Look at it here. If you came here and you connecting those dots here, that one here and that one here. What you seeing? And you came in the top here and you connecting those dots like that. You saw it or no? That the channel me I told you to focus it about in the 4 hours. If it's getting broke, you make like that. Take profit of you. It needs to be here at that level here exactly. That's where we're resting last time. Over here, you're protecting yourself. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicators what they saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Should we buy? Not yet. Yes, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone and we touch it from here. Look at it how it's bounced. But now it's going back to it. Need to give us here at least a price action for us to enter long. And at this time, my advice to you, don't try to look for a buy. A buy, it needs to happen only when a market break here, that weekly downtrend. That one here with dots, that one is the weekly downtrend. Remember that. It's need to come and to break it. Always if you want to enter from here maybe to here, that's another story. For scalpers, they aiming just for small profit, not for bigger profit. Everything is too clear? So here in 30 minutes, you need to wait a little bit. Always if it came and breaking from for you here. That level here, if it came the market and breaking here, that's another story. It's going to fall down more till here. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.